Hello, this is your experiment number 20 titled to study the morphological characteristics of miscellaneous drugs like garlic, licorice, shankapushpi and shatavari. There are certain plants drugs which cannot be covered specifically under the categories mentioned earlier. These have been put under miscellaneous category. Okay, so in this practical we are going to study morphological characters of the crude drugs that are evaluated by color, odor, taste, size, shape and special features like touch, texture and sound. The study of form of crude drug is morphology while description of the form is morphography. Here you can see the drug has shown garlic, licorice root, shankapushpi plant, shatavari plant and shatavari root. Macroscopy of this drug. Color bulbs are white or to pink in color. Odor is characteristics and aromatic. Taste is aromatic and pungent. Size is 1.5 to 2.5 in centimeter. Okay, so here you can see these are the bulbs. Different bulbs are there to this garlic. It's white in color, white to pink in color. Characteristics and aromatic odor is there. And taste is aromatic and pungent. Size of this bulb is 1.5 to 2.5 centimeter. Okay. Now what are the chemical constituents of this drug? It contains volatile oil, chief active constituent, and contains alloy, propyl disulfide, diallyl disulfide, allene, allicin. Allene by action of enzymes allenylase is converted into the allicin. So main chemical constituents of this drug is volatile oil, allene and allicin. Uses of this drug, it is used in high blood pressure and atherosclerosis as it has been reported to lower the blood cholesterol. Garlic is strong bacteriostatic as the active principle is allicin has shown antibacterial activity in 1:1 lakh dilution against both the gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Garlic has been used as a common spice since ages and is useful in digestion and intestinal infections. Okay. Now second drug is licorice. It is also called as a licorice root or glycyrrhiza or mulethi. Okay, here you can see this is a licorice root. Biological source of this drug, it consists of dried, peeled or unpeeled roots and stolons of the plant known as Glycyrrhiza glabra belonging to family Leguminosae. It can be obtained from other species of Glycyrrhiza yielding drug with the sweet taste. Okay, so this licorice root, it is dried, peeled or unpeeled roots or stolons of the species Glycyrrhiza glabra. Family is Leguminosae. Macroscopy, color is of the unpeeled root is yellowish brown or dark brown externally and yellowish internally, while the peeled licorice is pale yellow in color. Odor is faint and characteristic. Taste is sweet. Size of the root is length in 20 to 50 centimeter and 2 centimeter in diameter. Fracture, it is fibrous in bark and splintery in wood. Shape, cylindrical pieces which are straight, may be peeled or unpeeled. Peeled licorice is angular in shape. Okay. Okay, here you can see this is a licorice root which is cylindrical in shape. Length is 20 to 50 centimeter. But this is the broken pieces of this licorice root. Okay. Extra features of this drug is unpeeled pieces show presence of small buds encircling the scale leaves and longitudinally drug is wrinkled while peeled drug is fibrous without wrinkles. Chemical constituent, the chief chemical constituent of this drug is triterpenoid saponins which are known as glycyrrhizin or glycyrrhizic acid. It is a potassium and calcium salt of glycyrrhizinic acid. Glycyrrhizinic acid is a glycoside and on hydrolysis it yields glycyrrhetinic acid or glyceritic acid which has a triterpenoid structure. Now what are the uses of this drug? Glycyrrhiza, it is used as demulcent and mild expectorant. sweetening agent, and antispasmodic, anti-inflammatory, anti-ulcer drug. It is also used as a flavoring agent and for improving the taste of bitter medicines like quinine cascara. It is also used in cough lozenges, cough pastilles, and also as an absorbent peel excipient in the form of powder. Now third drug is Shankhapushpi. Its synonym is Shankhavel or Shankhapuli or Shankhapushpi. Okay. Here you can see this is a Shankhapushpi plant and Shankhapuli is there. Flowers of the plant has collected as a drug. Biological source of this drug, it consists of the aerial parts of the plant known as Convolvulus pluricalis. Choisy family is Convolvulaceae. Macroscopy plant is procumbent shrub. Stem is woody at the base, 10 to 30 cm long. Leaves are 2.5 to 3 cm long, linear, oblong, volus on the both sides, tapering at the base. Flowers are small, funnel shaped, light pink or white color. Fruits are small, up to 2.5 mm long, glabrous and scarly pulpulous. Chemical constituents, it contains alkaloid known as Shankhapushpin, volatile oil, N-triacontan, high fatty alcohols, camiferol, carbohydrates, glucose, sucrose, starch and potassium chloride. Uses, it is used as a brain tonic. It is also used in hypertension and as a tranquilizer. Fourth drug is Shatavari. It is also called as a Shatavar or Shatmuli. Okay, here you can see this is a Shatavari plant or you can call it as a Shatmuli. It is the root of the plant. This drug consists of dried roots and the leaves of the plant known as Asparagus racemosus, wild, family Liliaceae. Shape of the root, here you can see, must have seen the cylindrical shape, fleshy, tuberous, tapering towards the base and swollen in the middle. Size is 5 to 15 cm in length and 1 to 2 cm in diameter. Color, it is white to buff colored. When it is soaked in water, it becomes soft and swells considerably. Taste is bitter. Chemical constituent of this drug, Shatavari contains 4 steroid saponins. Shatawarin 1,2,4, 0.2%. Shatawarin 1 is the major glucoside with the 3 glucose and rhamnose moieties attached to the sarsaparagine. Whereas Shatawarin 4, it contains 2 glucose and 1 rhamnose ring attached to each other. Uses of this drug, the roots are refrigerant, demulcent, aphrodisiac, antiseptic, alterative, anti-dysenteric and galactogogues. In Ayurveda, Shatavari is used to cure the threatened abortions and safe delivery. Okay, so you have to issue the crude drug, you have to make it ready for observation and you have to observe the drug and you have to write the macroscopy in observation table like this: color, odor, taste, size and shape. Same for the licorice, Shankhapushpi and Shatavari, you have to mention all the color, odor, size, taste, shape and extra features of the drug. What is the conclusion from this experiment? With the help of the morphological characters given, unknown crude drugs are confirmed to be garlic, licorice, Shankhapushpi and Shatavari. Thank you.